The second International Railway Conference and Expo 2025 held at Ladi Kwale Hall, Abuja Intercontinental Hotel, Use Zone 4. The opening keynote by Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, heavily represented by Vice President Shatima Kashima, officially declared the conference open. He said in his speech that reviving and revitalizing Nigerian railway service is a critical in Nigeria is to remain an African logistic hub. However, the Vice President pointed out the key rail modernization project like Kano, Maradi as part of the Renew Hope agenda. He emphasized that the railway sector offers more than transport, cheaper, safer, more environmental friendly alternative to road transport, and these align with sustainable development. Following the recommendation, Shatima called for strong network collaboration among stakeholders, both public and private. The Honorable Minister of Transportation, Saidu Ahmed Al-Khali, reaffirmed the commitment to modernize railway infrastructure. He noted that the recent approval Federal Council Executive include construction of ultra-modern bus terminal in all 6 geopolitical zones to improve passenger welfare.
In Europe, the railway enabled industrial revolution. In China, they empower urbanization and export growth. In Africa, railways are emerging as a backbone of its
and high-speed rail project. This is indeed a bold and visionary initiative with the potential to significantly transform our economic growth trajectory. Let me commend the Sadar Nigeria Limited, Dr. Sam, his financial partner, China, Mankai Petroleum Investment Holdings Limited, for the foresight and commitment demonstrated.
This awakening inspired projects such as the Kano Maradi Railway Modernization, which opens new gateways for trade under the African Continental Free Trade Area. Our agenda is shaped by the urgent need to reduce the burden on our roads and highways. Decades of our reliance on road transportation had led to congestion, rapid deterioration of infrastructure, and higher accident rates. Railways offer safe, cheaper, and more